Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 6 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings. So let's take your icon right here and then scroll all the way down to additional settings, backup and reset, and at the bottom you'll have erase all data, factory reset, and then the third option, erase all data. Now if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, whatever it is, you will need to confirm it. So as you can see, I have one, and once you put it in, you will get this message again. So erase data and then erase data, and the process will begin removing all personal data, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and then you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.